My name is Bruce Davidson, D-A-V-I-D-S-O-N. I live in Delaware Township, New Jersey. Thank you for the opportunity to testify. I'm going to try to keep this short because everything that I had planned to say has already been said by someone, and that is that it's time for marriage equality to exist in New Jersey for a whole variety of reasons, not the least of which is there is enough documentation that this is not equal. Civil unions are not equal to marriage in the state of New Jersey, and they probably cannot ever be. I'm a pastor in the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America. I have been for 33 years. I'm proud to say that I was the preacher at Pastor Jeff Ziegler's ceremony when he and Scott, his partner, decided that they wanted their relationship to be blessed before adopting their first child. That was a very important moment in my life, and I know that he remembers every word of that sermon to this day, even though I don't. Thank you. I also am a gay man, and I have been in a relationship, one of those double-digit relationships of almost 25 years. We became domestic partners when that was available to us. We joined in a civil union in March when that was available to us. But I have to say this. We realized after we had gone through all of the ceremonies and all of the legalities that were attached to civil unions and domestic partnership laws, we realized at one point in time that very little had changed for us, either legally or personally. Certainly our relationship was the same. We intended to live together for the rest of our lives, as we had for many years up till that point. We also realized that we are privileged. My partner is a lawyer, and he has a rather fine salary. And so we were able to find both legal assistants and financial planners who would help us as a couple, not enjoying the benefit of marriage, to have all of the benefits legally that would protect our assets and provide for medical directives as seemed appropriate. And we found that with good legal advice and good financial planning, we could provide that kind of security for ourselves. We also realized that that was not true for every gay and lesbian couple in the state. Those who didn't have the financial resources to be able to find people to do those things would simply have to struggle and hope that nothing would happen to them that would challenge their relationship. After we had our civil union, we sat down and again realized that nothing much legally had changed, though there were a few benefits that the state had conferred. But a couple of weeks later, when our insurance person came by and we were looking at changing our long-term care policy, and we found that we could both be covered under the same policy, the insurance company would allow that and honor that. There was no place, again, on the form where our relationship could be acknowledged. And so when I put my partner's name down as the beneficiary of the policy, the insurance person had to put a little star and down at the bottom of the page say, civil union. It's more than a matter of semantics. It's a matter of how people are recognized, respected, treated, and honored in their life. Until we have marriage equality in the state of New Jersey, we can talk about rights and responsibilities. We can talk about people being together in loving relationships. But we still will be missing something. We'll be missing the opportunity to go and say to someone, this is my spouse, this is the person that I am married to, and have people instantly understand that that person and I have a special relationship that is honored both legally and in a sacred way by our commitment and our love for one another, and also honored by the law. Thank you. I am so glad that New Jersey had the wisdom to put this commission in place. I imagine that many of you wish they hadn't at this stage in the evening. But let me thank you for your attentiveness, for your diligence, and for your willingness to provide this service to our community and to our state. Thank you.